Good morning, everybody. So I have seen a lot of people taking advantage of the additional 5 days that I've added on the Spacial. So as of today, we are left with 2 days on that Spacial. So remember, you can buy the robot for 2,000 rands, which is $150. Go straight to the website, take advantage of the Spacial. You are left with 2 days, today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 7th. We are closing in. No longer taking any orders with the Spacial. 2,000 rand, $150. Take advantage right now, and let's meet on the other side. Remember to send me the proof of payment on my email. Here's my email down here. The link to my website is down in the description, or you can just use this link. Just type it on Google and you'll get to my website and make the purchase for the robot. And make sure that you choose which one you want. You want the MT5 or the MT4 one, because you only get one, not both. You get one. That's it, guys. Peace. Take care.